Hello, in this video I am going to talk about how can we install the custom inform toast notification in our Windows Phone application and how can we use it. So for this we will go to our Nugget package page on nugget.org website and I will also mention the link in the description, and then we will go to the PMC tab. PMC stands for Package Manager Console. So this is the command for Package Manager Console. We will copy that command and we will go to Visual Studio, and I have already created this Windows Home application. So you will need to create a new Windows Home application, or you can also use your existing Windows Home project. So first of all, we will open the Package Manager console using tools, Nugget Package Manager and Package Manager console, and we will paste our command and run this to install our Nugget package in our project. To verify that our Nugget package is installed, we will go to Solution Explorer and double click on our project name, and we can see that our package has been successfully installed. Now we will open our form, and I have already created these 4 buttons to show you the variety of messages types that our application can show. So our Nugget package currently supports 4 types of 4 types of message types, like success, warning, information, and error. So first we will work on success. So on success button click, we need to use our message box, custom message box. So first of all, we will declare our custom message box like this using message box equals to custom inform tools dot message box. Now what this will do is it will override our built-in message box that is present in Windows Form, and it will override that message box with our message box. Now when we will type message box dot show, so you can see that there is no show method because the original message box is overridden by our custom message box due to this line. Now we have to show the success message, so we will get show success message and we will type this is our success message. And now that our success button work has been completed, we will again go to the form and work on the warning button. Message box dot show warning message. This is our warning message. Like this. In the same way, we will do our information message button work and error message button work. I will also add this keyword with our last 2 message types in info button and error button, so I can show you what is the difference between the normal call and the call with this keyword. This here refers to the form1 object which we are passing as the second parameter, which is the optional parameter in these 2 calls, show info messages and show error message. Now we will run this application. Now when we click the success message button, you can see that our success message is being shown on the top right of our main display, and likewise our warning message is also being shown on the top right of our main display. But when we click the information, then our info message is being shown on the top right of our application display, and likewise the error message is also showing on the top right of our application display. So this is the difference between using this method with this keyword and without this keyword. You can also pass this keyword on 2 of these, and all the messages will start to show on the top right of our application display. Now we will restart our application and we will see that all our messages are showing on top right of our main application. So this is it. This is how you can override the override the message box on Windows Phone and use this custom toast notification, which is like user friendly, and also the user don't have to click OK to get rid of the message, and the message disappears on its own. So that's about it. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you very much.